Hi, I'm Tony with EchoMaster, here today to speak to you about our newest safety product, a wireless backup camera for your vehicle. This wireless backup camera is easy to install, works with any vehicle, and makes it easy to see what's behind you. First is the wireless backup camera. The camera has a wide-angle viewing and an ultra-low lux rating, making it suitable for nighttime conditions. Not only does it come with a license plate mount, it also comes with a lip mount. Next is the receiver. The receiver is a 2-wire hookup and then gives you an RCA and a reverse trigger to go to your aftermarket radio, monitor, or mirror monitor. Then we have the power harness. The power harness is equipped with both the transmitter and a power filter for vehicles with pulsed width modulation reverse lights. This also is a 2-wire hookup. The power filter makes this product truly universal. EchoMaster also includes a user manual with step-by-step instructions, as well as all the hardware needed for this installation. This wireless backup camera is truly easy to install, 2 wires in the front and 2 wires in the back. Adding a wireless backup camera can eliminate blind spots behind your vehicle and aid when maneuvering your vehicle in reverse. For more information, please visit echomaster.com.